Hello friends, and welcome to A. Thacker Art. I'm Terry Thacker, an old artist learning new tricks. In art, a mandala is a complex, abstract design that is usually circular in form. In this video, I will demonstrate how to draw an artistic mandala using a compass and repeating patterns. First of all, let me point out that over this board, I have a piece of glass. And the reason for that is to make my drawing smooth. Also, the type of paper I'm using is a Bristol type paper, which is very smooth and won't absorb the ink because I'm using black pens. And this is a 9x12 sheet of paper that I cut in half. So to draw your circles, just set the point of the compass anywhere you want on the page. You don't have to follow what I'm doing exactly, although it's okay if you do. I didn't measure anything out. I just set the point down where I wanted to draw my first circle and began drawing it. Remember, if you lift your compass up like I have right here, put it back in the same spot where the mark is where you started making your circles, and then just widen the compass every little bit, however much you want the next sections to be, and continue to draw your circles. Take your time here, don't rush it. As you notice, my compass has a clip on it because it's very old, and it doesn't stay in the position I put it in without the clip, so I put a clip on it to keep it steady. So I finished this up, and it looks like I made 4 circles for the main mandala. I'm going to make some more on the side to make it look like they're behind the main one. Remember, if you do this part, to keep the point in the same place every set that you make. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. In the future, I will be doing more painting and other artwork. I'm still very new at learning to edit these films, so thanks for your patience. Enjoy the rest of the video, and if you like it, subscribe or leave a comment. And again, thanks for visiting, and I wish you peace and love.